Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to create custom maps for Mecca Chameleon's Steam Workshop. So if you want to make your own map and share it with other players, just follow along. Mecca Chameleon supports custom maps through Steam Workshop, where players can upload and share community-created maps. First, you need to open Steam and go to your Mecca Chameleon game page. Next, check the Steam Workshop section to access custom content and community maps. To create your own map, you'll need to prepare your map files using the supported creation tools and follow the current Mecca Chameleon modding workflow. The exact editor setup may depend on the current game version and available tools. And after creating your map, package the files correctly for a Steam Workshop upload. Next, open the Steam Workshop upload option and upload your custom map files. Add a title, description, screenshots, and any required information before publishing. And once a map is published, players can find it in Steam Workshop and subscribe to download it. After subscribing, launch Meccha Chameleon and check the custom maps section to test your map. Make sure your map loads correctly before sharing it with your friends. So that was how to create custom maps for Meccha Chameleon Steam Workshop. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.